It's easy to prepare sandwiches, subs, and salads with our sandwich unit prep tables that offer flexible features and options to store ingredients on the top while holding reserve ingredients underneath. Our sandwich units come in various size widths, from 27-inch for smaller compact spaces to 72 inches for that larger prep area. To optimize the workspace in your prep area, we offer 3 different top styles: a standard top with 2 rows of pans and a 12-inch deep cutting board, a mighty top with 3 rows of pans and a 10-inch deep cutting board, and a cutting top similar to our standard top with 2 rows of pans, but the cutting board area is larger at 19 inches deep, providing plenty of space for prepping foods. For purposes of this demo, we are going to focus on our mighty top SW60N24M model. Deciding the proper size of your prep equipment is essential, as you need to consider the workflow of your prep area and how many ingredients you use to prepare your food. If you have a large variety of ingredients, having an additional 3rd row of pans in the top makes our mighty top models the perfect choice for keeping those ingredients close at hand. This SW60N24M model we have here displays both standard and optional features for purposes of this demo. To fully understand what is standard and what are options, let's first discuss the standard features found on our Mighty Top sandwich unit product line. Using the highest quality materials and components, our Mighty Top sandwich unit models feature the following: a 300 series stainless steel top that is heavy duty, scratch and corrosion resistant, which makes it a superior surface for extensive usage throughout the day. The front fascia and end panels are stainless steel with 2 inches of non-CFC polyurethane insulation, a powerful insulator to maximize efficiency. Insulated stainless steel lids are easy to clean and help with maintaining food temperatures within the pans during peak times of usage. All models come with 1/6 size pans recessed down from the top, which have the added support of divider bars. Divider bars provide stability for pan placement by preventing sidebars from sliding out of position that could allow pans to fall into the cabinet. Positioned below these pans is a removable interior tub to help prevent spillage into the storage zone. Having this added protection below the pans helps minimize the time spent cleaning out the storage zone. A 10-inch full-length nylon reversible cutting board is removable for easy cleanup and held in place with thumb screws. All our sandwich units come standard with an exterior electronic controller with digital display and high-low alarm for higher accuracy and better user control. Your model will come with either stainless steel doors, 2-tier stainless steel roll-out drawers, or a combination of both depending on your kitchen needs. Doors are spring-loaded and self-closing with a stay-open feature, as well as the shut feature when you walk away. Doors are designed to be rehingeable right in the field, providing you with the versatility after the install. Smooth, polished chrome workflow door handles provide ease when opening doors. Magnetic snap-in door gaskets provide an excellent seal and are easy to remove without tools and replacement if needed. Heavy-duty epoxy-coated steel shelves are secured in place with clips inserted into adjustable pilaster strips. Drawers are part of a drawer cage assembly, which is fully removable for cleaning or converting from drawers to doors right in the field. In this 60-inch model, each drawer holds one 12 by 20 by 6 size pan, not supplied. The bottom and back of each drawer base have large holes which provide an open and even distribution of cold airflow to food pans placed in the drawers. Drawers are supported on heavy-duty drawer tracks with built-in safety clips on both the left and right sides. Safety clips keep the drawer from pulling all the way out and falling onto the floor. These drawer tracks are easy to remove and can be placed in a dishwasher for ease of cleaning. They are also easy to open should you need to remove the drawer. Like our doors, smooth polished chrome workflow drawer handles provide ease when opening drawers. Magnetic snap-in drawer gaskets provide an excellent seal and are easy to remove without tools and replacement if needed. This model comes standard with 5-inch high lockable casters. Should your model need to be placed directly against a wall or built into a counter, a front breathing model is available. Front breathers are a unique field-assembled bottom-mounted ventilation system where the air intakes and exhausts from the front and bottom of the cabinet. Front breather models come standard with 3 3/4-inch casters. The refrigeration is a back-mounted, self-contained R290 system concealed behind a removable louvered cover, making it easy to access for servicing and cleaning. The unique forced air distribution across the back of the unit circulates cold air below and between the recessed pans, ensuring the pan product maintains uncovered food temps between 33 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit required by NSF 7 standards. Our 48-inch, 60-inch, and 72-inch models come standard with an expansion valve for quicker recovery when opening and closing the lids. A stainless steel automatic hot gas condensate evaporator allows the discharge and evaporation of condensation when the demand is needed. The hot gas condensate evaporator greatly minimizes the evaporator drain pan from overflowing in some adverse conditions, such as high ambient temperature, high humidity, extremely heavy usage, frequent loading for prolonged periods of time, or heavy pan loading, keeping the surrounding areas safe and free of excess water. There are several features about our sandwich units that make our models so versatile. First, the pan top placement and pan configurations can be modified to meet your food prep needs. Whether you need pan openings on left or right, front to back, 3 openings versus 2, or a different configuration of pans altogether, Continental can design a pan top solution to meet the needs of your unique menu. Next is the versatility of our various lid options. When you need product visibility in your prep area, you have the option of a vision panel lid as either a hood-in lid, like this one shown, or a flat vision panel lid with or without hinges. Another option available providing product visibility on this Mighty Top model is a hinge glass lid with integral stainless steel gas spring lid supports, allowing the lid to open and close gently while supporting the lid. Flat insulated lids and bifold lids are also available. Not only are our sandwich units versatile, they offer many great flexible options. 16-gauge stainless steel overshelves, either single or double, with a hat channel included, provides easy storage and handling at an arm's reach. Overshelves are easy to install after the fact, as post holes are already set up on the back of the unit. If double overshelves are installed, the lower shelf is adjustable up or down 2 inches to accommodate various heights. Hat channels add stability and the ability to add a heat lamp by others. 1/9 size crumb pans recessed in the cutting board help keep work area clean and crumbs contained. Cylinder security lock in doors and drawers deters theft and tampering of product. Composite cutting board in lieu of a nylon cutting board is durable and long-lasting, making them a good choice for heavy-duty use. A rear-mounted cutting board can be added to make prep area usable from both sides. Stainless steel interior for added strength and durability, plus optional caster sizes and legs are available. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our sandwich unit prep tables. Whether it's kitchen ambient temperature, food safety, limited space, or storage challenges, Continental refrigerator products are packed with flexible options that provide real operator benefits right out of the box. Since 1989, Continental has earned a reputation for innovation and excellence through our commitment to teamwork, technology-focused product strategies, and to our policy of always placing customer satisfaction above all else. Our products are American-made, designed for flexibility, engineered for food safety, and tested for optimal performance. It's not just about building a product, it's about building a product that lasts in real kitchen environments.